Today we are going to introduce intelligence idea to be implied in Shatong Trade Market. Shatong Trade Market is major shopping for daily necessities in the area, therefore we pay effort to think of improvement ways to it. Here we can see crowded environment and slippery floor. And here we can see dirt and cabbage on the floor. And here we can see sewage from fish stalls. Then how and what can we improve on? Hence we are here to provide solutions. This is the original ventilation system of the wet market. There are not many fans and the market is quite stuffy. The net is full of dust and the air cannot circulate well. The efficiency of the ventilation system is very low. To solve the problem, we create a model of a wall which combines the ventilation and smell removing system. On top of the model, there will be bamboo planted to help absorb smell like benzene. It also serves as a greenery object and gives visitor a fresh feeling. This is the bottom view of the model. These blue holes which can release water serve as a cleaning system. It can release water with detergent to clean the floor automatically after the market is closed. The cleaning system can keep the environment tidy and clean to prevent the smell produced by rotten food and bacteria. It's the ventilation system which consists of fans, an outer net and an inner gauze. The inner gauze is made of smart material charcoal to absorb the smell. The fans inside the chamber will help this air circulation. The filtered air will then be pumped into the market. Next, we are using face recognition to merge with the innovative transporting system, so that shoppers can scan their face and go shopping thanks to reduced space occupying. This is a system similar to baggage transporting system in airports. This will be hidden on the ceilings of the market when shoppers bought things in the store. Basket with a code generated by his biological characteristic will drop, and he can drop things in there. The basket will carry with him shop by shop. When he checks out at cashier, face recognition will guide the drop of basket. In this way, shoppers can pay at once and then leave and reduce the space occupied by products and moving people. Material can sense the changes of temperature and quantity of bacteria or food. In this constant temperature can be kept so as to keep freshness of the food. Lastly, we want to improve the sewage and leftover treatment. Sewage and leftover are often discarded together into the ditches, which may result in blockage of the system. Therefore, we try to make a smart drainage system which can separate sewage and leftover automatically by the means of biomimicry and smart material. Structure literally mimics apparatus in manta rays. Manta rays are filter feeders. With the wing shade filtering apparatus, the incoming water slows down. As a result, water will be filtered. As food particles usually have a higher momentum than water, they heat and rebound back to the mainstream. For the second component, we mimic the strategy of cell cleaning in Lotus. Super hydrophobic nanoscale coating will be applied on cleaning can be achieved. And for the last structures, the concept comes from the structure of cell membrane. Most of the water passes through the cell membrane through aquaporin, bathed throughout the synthetic membrane. Water will be purified by the membrane. Soap produces intelligent ditch. Plain water will be filtered off and go downward. Food particles and dirt will continue their flow in the mainstream, but sewage and leftover will no longer be a waste anymore.